As a hygienist, I started my career in private practice. I spent several years in private practice where I learned a lot. I had a great doctor that I worked for. Then I came to Aspen Dental, and that's when I really noticed a big difference in the way that I was treated as a provider.
So when I was in private practice, the new patients would start on the doctor's side, and the doctor would actually do the exam and the periodontal charting, and then he would talk to them about what's going on with their oral health, and then they would be scheduled on hygiene to come back to get their cleaning. So I wasn't able to see them prior to actually cleaning their teeth.
When I came to Aspen Dental, I was able to really be a partner in that collaboration and truly give the patients comprehensive care that way.
I'm able to actually go into all the new patient exams and actually meet the patient during that appointment. I get to do their periodontal charting, and then I get to talk to them about their oral health and what's going on that we see today. And out in private practice before, I did not get to do that. They came in on the doctor's side, and the doctor got to do the periodontal charting, and then they got to do the oral health. My relationship between me and the doctor here at Aspen Dental is going to be more involved. We're able to actually work in a partnership, and we're treated all like providers as hygienists here with the doctors. And so we're able to work one-on-one to decide the best treatment plan for our patients instead of it being solely the doctor's decision. The equipment and supplies that we're able to have at Aspen is up to high standards. We have a lot of new equipment. So here at Aspen, we actually have the Trio scanner, which is really neat to have for new patients. We're able to scan them and then show them exactly what their mouth looks like. And typically out other areas, you're not able to do that. So it's nice for patients because then they can see exactly what we see, and it kind of helps click the big picture so that way they know exactly what we're doing. Greatest reasons to work for Aspen Dental is having autonomy as a hygienist. Typically out in private practice, you're not able to get that. So here with our doctors, we're able to partner with them, and we're able to come up with the best treatment plan for our patients. The second reason is the fact that we can control our schedule. So we're able to adjust the times that we need for each patient instead of it being a set time that we have to see them in. And then the last reason is the support that you get from all of the staff, not only from your doctors, but you also get support from the dental assistants here. They help you anytime that you need, and then you also have help from front staff as well.